pond goes quack, quack, quack. With a little wiggle it swims right back. The pig in the pen goes oink, oink, oink. Rolling in the mud, it's such a joy. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make those animal sounds on repeat. Moo, whack, quack, oink. Join the animal sounds. Party, hooray! The sheep on the hill goes ba ba ba, fluffy and white like a soft warm shawl. The rooster in the barn says cock-a-doodle-doo. Wakes up the farm, the sky's so blue. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Let's make those animal sounds on repeat. Moo, quack, quack, oink. Join the animal sounds. Party, hooray! Now you know the sounds they make. Sing along for goodness sake. The animal sounds party never ends with all our furry, feathery friends. With all our furry, feathery friends.